and so today I'm doing a makeup tutorial, and this is the look. It is a highlighted, fresh, glowy, glossy lids makeup tutorial, and I've been wanting to do a glossy lids makeup look for a while now on this channel, and so I'm finally showing you how I do it. I would like to thank Sephora Collection for sponsoring this video. Sephora Collection has a lot of different products that will help you get different highlighted looks, so I'm going to be showing you how to use those products in this video, and I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in a second. I am starting off using Sephora Collection Coconut Water Cleansing Wipes. I like these because they're soothing and they don't really irritate my skin. And then I'm using the Laura Mercier Primer. This is a foundation primer, but I'm not wearing foundation in this video. I'm going to wear concealer, and I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and just blending that out with Sephora Collection Pro Stippling Concealer Brush. By the way, all the products in this video are listed down below in the description box, and they can be purchased from Sephora.com. If you decide to post a picture of you wearing this look, you should definitely tag me and use the hashtag Sephora Collection, hashtag Beauty Uncomplicated, and hashtag highlighting. To moisturize my lips and also give them a little bit of shine, I'm using Smith's Rosebud Salve. I love this because it makes my lips glossy and it also gives them a little bit of tint. And then I'm highlighting with the Illuminate palette from Sephora Collection, and I'm using the shades 1 and 4, and I'm applying that with the Sephora Collection Shape and Highlight brush. So a lot of highlighters that I've tried tend to look a little bit, they either look cakey or they look super powdery, but these are, they're powder, but they're super creamy, and there's no big chunks of like glitter in them, so they just look really soft and smooth on your skin. For an extra glossy look, I'm using the color Lunar Glaze from Sephora Collection Pro Dimensional Highlighting Palette, and I'm applying that with the Pro Flawless Airbrush and just putting that on my cheekbones, and then I'm going to be putting that on my eyelids with the Stippling Concealer Brush from Sephora Collection. I'm also applying the colors Cosmic Glaze and Nova to my lids, and then I'm also going to put that on the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose and my Cupid's bow. All of the colors in this palette are super creamy and lightweight, and they're not greasy at all, so they're perfect for pretty much any skin type, depending on where you put them. And then I'm applying mascara. This is the Tarte Tartiste mascara, and I'm putting that on my top and bottom lashes. And then I'm doing my brows with the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade number 3. To finish off my look, I'm using Sephora Collection Perfection Mist Nude Glow. This is an aerosol, and you can spray it directly onto your face to get a nice highlighted skin look. So that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Everything is linked down below, and I'd like to thank Sephora Collection again for sponsoring this video. It really is a dream come true to get to work with Sephora. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one.